While it is true that the universe as a whole is expanding, the motion of individual galaxies within the universe can be influenced by other factors such as gravity. The expansion of the universe primarily affects the vast distances between galaxy clusters or superclusters, but on smaller scales, gravity can dominate. In the case of Andromeda, also known as the Andromeda Galaxy, it is one of the closest neighboring galaxies to our own Milky Way galaxy. Both galaxies are part of what is called the Local Group, a small cluster of galaxies. Despite the overall expansion of the universe, the gravitational attraction between the Milky Way and Andromeda is stronger than the effect of the universe's expansion. As a result, the gravitational interaction between the Milky Way and Andromeda causes them to be drawn towards each other. Over time, this gravitational pull will continue to bring the two galaxies closer together. Eventually, in about 4 billion years, it is projected that the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide and merge to form a new galaxy. So, while the universe as a whole is expanding, there are localized regions, such as galaxy clusters or groups, where gravity can counteract the expansion and bring galaxies closer together. The case of Andromeda and the Milky Way is an example of such gravitational interaction overpowering the effect of cosmic expansion on small scales.